Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of different hauls and videos, including daily, weekly and weekend food hauls, B&M hauls, Superdrug hauls, Boots hauls, TK Maxx hauls. I do beauty box unboxings and food subscription box unboxings. Today's video is the May edition of Degustabox. So if you've not heard of the Degustabox before, it is a monthly description box that costs, I believe, $11.99. If I'm wrong, I'll put the price on screen. A month, and you get a variety of products, between 9 and 15 products every month. And sometimes it's new brands that have recently launched or new products from brands, and there'll be drinks included as well. So the first items, there's two of them, is Brioche Pitch. Pitch is a delicious soft brioche roll with a generous amount of dark chocolate chips or chocolate filling. These are free from preservatives and artificial colours. Our pitch are individually wrapped, making them great for lunchboxes, sports, cars, journeys and much more. Loved by kids but enjoyed by all. So there's the chop chip ones. And then there's the chocolate centre ones. The next item is KitKat Bites in white chocolate. Mini crispy wafer fingers coated in a thick layer of white chocolate, perfect to share with others with a movie or as a treat. The next item is something I literally drink every day at the moment. It's the original Lucozade Energy. Discover the great taste of Lucozade Original Energy in the moment when you need the most. Whatever your day may hold, remember your energy beats everything. Lucozade Energy is best served chilled, so put your bottle in the fridge for maximum great taste. This is one of the products of the month. There's two, and this is the mini coconut and black pepper soft tortillas. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Soft and flavoured 6-inch wheat flour tortillas. These irresistible little tortillas are deliciously flavoured with coconut, lime and black pepper, all typical Caribbean ingredients. The slightly sweet flavour of coconut and the tanginess of the lime make it perfect to fill the flavour intense or spicy food. I like the sound of them. This is another one of the products of the month, and it's the Caribbean Creamy Chicken Curry Seasoning Mix. Caribbean fare is a melting pot of cuisines and a food lover's paradise. Our seasoning mix is inspired by Indo-Caribbean food, and its mild curry flavour goes perfectly with chicken and cream. Alternative used with vegetables and coconut milk to suit vegan, vegetarian and lactose-free diets. We've had Santa Maria products before, and I think we got a coating for chicken and it was really nice. So I'm looking forward to trying that. KitKat Senses Mix. Made to share, our mixed box of KitKat Senses include all three deliciously indulgent flavours: salted caramel, double chocolate and hazelnut. Lift the lid to reveal a pop-open box designed for sharing, full of individually wrapped indulgent treats with something for everyone to enjoy. Say Hello, reduced sugar. Say Hello isn't your average drink. Real pieces of real aloe vera give the drink its unique texture, and its clean and refreshing flavour makes it deliciously different refreshment. Say Hello is also rich in vitamin C with no artificial flavours or colours, so why not go on and hydrate yourself. This is the strawberry flavour, which I've never had. I've had the other version of this because they sell it in Tesco. Cereal pasta sauce. Be the first in the UK to try Cereal premium peeled plum tomatoes and 2 new pasta sauce recipes made with 100% top Italian ingredients for a genuine and tasty dish. Simply heat through until piping hot and add to cooked pasta. So we got one of these in the March box, I believe, and I've still not tried it, and it says on the card that you get the one that you didn't get in the March box, so still not tried the March one, but they do look really good. The Good Cider of San Sebastian. Discover the Good Cider of San Sebastian, authentic Spanish apple cider with the flavour of the best fruits. Be seduced by our natural apple cider enriched with green apples or with sweetness of strawberry and a touch of lime. They're addictive. So this is the strawberry one. And this is a dry apple one. We've had these in a Degustabox before a couple of years ago. The exact same flavours but slightly different packaging. The labels are different. So basically it's a repeat of something from a couple of years ago. So that's everything in this month's edition of Degustabox, and it's the World Cup box, but I am not impressed with the box. This is the worst box that I've had since I resubscribed back in January. Last month's was a really epic box, so this month I'm really disappointed, especially as the ciders we've had in a box in the past. We've had the Brioche in the past, we had Lucozade in the last one, we had KitKat, and we've had the Santa Maria ones, which I'm not bothered about receiving again, but the fact that we've got Brioche again and KitKat and the same ciders is a little bit disappointing. I did definitely prefer last month's box, so I did say if I got a bad box I would unsubscribe or cancel my subscription, but I don't know if I'm going to do that, because knowing my luck I'll cancel and next month's box will be amazing. I'm just a little bit disappointed, but I will link last month's box on screen now. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave it down below and I'll answer, and please check out my blog, which is always linked in the description box, because there will be a matching blog post up within the next week. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you're alerted every time I upload a video, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching everyone, bye!